call, please signal an operator by pressing star and then 0 on your touch-tone telephone. Please note this conference is recorded. I would now like to hand over the floor to Mr. Dhananjay Mishra. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Madhuri. Good morning. Welcome to you all for Q2 FY24 results conference call of NBCC Limited. We are happy to host the management of NBCC Limited. From the management side, we have Shri K.P. Mahadev Swami, Chairman cum Managing Director, Srimati B.K. Shoki, Director Finance, Shri Salim Ahmed, Director Project, Shri Rajendra Chaudhary, Senior Executive Director, Engineering, Srimati Reshma Budani, Executive Director, Engineering, and also Investor Relations Head, Balkishan Singla. So now I hand over the call to the management to give initial remark on results and current business outlook. Over to you, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all. I am thankful to Government of India, you, that is investors, shareholders, for giving me an opportunity to serve as CMD NBCC India Limited. First of all, I am giving you thank you to all the shareholders and particularly you investors whose strong belief on NBCC had helped us to climb the share price 72.5 rupees few days back, and this place was before 5 years. Even in February, when I took the responsibility of Director Commercial, it was around 35 rupees, and now it is around double. And I assure you, as a CMD of this company, in coming years, our performance will elevate multifold. Operation and execution. In operation and execution, we have already achieved more than 72% PBT half-yearly basis as compared to last year. Even this year, we have achieved around 4,000 crores, and we shall achieve turnover, more than 7,000 crores in next 6 months, totaling of around 11,000 crore rupees. And I have a confidence on this. Some of the parameter indicators which I am sharing for you, getting this confidence. In last 6 months, 4,400 crores were awarded, which shall support to achieve balanced target of turnover. The project having value of around 1,800 crores, whose Bhumi Pujan done and shall be constructed within 24 months through advanced construction technology. In the next 1 week, similarly, another advanced technology for precast technology, that is neutral technology, shall be used in construction of around 1,500 crores worth, which shall be started in this month only. The completion period is 24 months. This is for in redevelopment of 7 GPRA. The tender get awarded value in next 2 months around 2,000 crores, out of which target of 5,300 crore in coming quarters also. We are also targeting to achieve excellent rating so that NBCC regain the position before COVID era as per MOU parameters. When it comes to solving problems of stalled projects, NBCC is the first who solved the Amrapali stress buyers out of total more than 4.2 lakhs of stuck investors in major metro cities and particularly Delhi and NCR. There is a say that give the control to private company when PSU don't work, like Air India. It must revive, but here we turn the table. The biggest builder of NCR failed to deliver the home buyers to even last 10 years. We deliver the homes around 15,000 home buyers in just 3 years, and we shall deliver another 20,000 before March 2025. When it comes to selling of the spoiled project inventories carrying bad names, that is Amrapali, we sold 1,400-300 crores inventory in last 6 months, which is more than last complete year sale of 1,331. And I am sure we sell remaining inventory, that is 1,600 crores Amrapali plots in next 2 quarters. This model shall be replicated in NCR and Mumbai, who is facing such big problems primarily. When come to selling of commercial unsold inventory after its construction, very proudly we can share that the last 6 months we sold 2,650 crores commercial space, that is in World Trade Center, which is more than the sale of last year, which is 2,024 crores. Before March 24, we will able to sell remaining units after its construction. And I am also confident that we shall fetch around 200 to 300 crores real estate inventory by selling all available unsold inventory pan-India basis that is owned by NBCC. We are also expanding the real estate sector in 2-tier cities. Regarding our subsidiaries HSCC, HSCL and NSL, when it comes to performance, our subsidiary HSCC, HSCL, NSL are performing well, and I assure you the performance shall be better in coming years. Business development. When it comes to business development, NBCC already secured 7,100 crore business in last 6 months, which is more than last year business achievement of 6,500 crores. And we are comfortable to achieve another 10,000 crores during this financial year. Redevelopment. It is fair to say that NBCC established in reliable construction PSU for redevelopment works after delivering Moti Bagh, Kidwai Nagar, WTC through different models of development. Even Bharata Mandapam is also developed after demolition of old structures. G20 was organized there, where an international level of appreciation we gained. WHO headquarters, another such kind of work. Recently, 11 countries' health ministers attended the plantation ceremony in the presence of Honorable Health Ministers. Kerala Housing Board is another variety of redevelopment model. This model shall be replicated for PSUs across pan-India, and more than 3,000 acres land parcel they have in all major cities. Step in overseas. We already step up concrete foot in overseas, particularly African countries, Maldives, Mauritius. The social housing work is in full swing in Maldives. We are hoping that we will tap some business in Arabia and Africa in coming months. Technology. We are using advanced construction technology in housing works in India as well as in overseas. This is not only speed up the progress but improves quality at the highest level. This shall also reduce much more dependence on labor workforce. NBCC is also working on top to put place some 3D printing technology constructions for better and quicker constructions. Composite structures work also be done in small level by NBCC, but is exclusively HSCL as unique presence in steel infrastructure development. Similarly, HSCC is exclusively in hospital sectors, so currently handling 3 to 6 AIMS of India, across India. Even NBCC very strong presence in hospital works. Post-construction maintenance. When it comes to post-construction maintenance and interior works of office space, NSL is increasing its presence in pan-India. Even in Kidwai Nagar, Moti Bagh, NBCC exclusively handling the operation and maintenance of work 30 years of O&M. And it also plays in case of ongoing GPRA construction, Sarojini Nagar, Netaji Nagar and WTC. Diversification. We are also taking some steps to diversify NBCC roads, highways, overseas metro stations, solar, irrigation projects, water supply sectors. Some good news in this regard is expected soon. At last, I shall greet you for a happy and prosperous Deepavali to you and your loved ones. Thank you. Now forum is open for discussion. Question.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin the question and answer session. If you have a question, please press star and 1 on your telephone keypad and wait for your turn to ask the question. If you would like to withdraw your request, you may do so by pressing star and 1 again. So the first question comes from Dikshit Doshi, Whitestone Financial Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Thanks for the opportunity. So my first question is, what is our current outstanding order book, including all the subsidiaries and, Amrapali and all the redevelopment projects?
Around 55,000 crore rupees, consolidated level.
Okay, and of this 55,000 crore, how many projects the work is already started?
Almost
Amrapali,
all the projects.
Yeah.
Amrapali, all the projects already awarded except one tech park. Out of 25 projects, 24 are already awarded. One project yet to be awarded, that is tech park. Whereas in 7 GPRA, almost 8 projects already awarded. Rest projects we are awarding, it is in process.
So in terms of value of this,
in terms of value, already awarded around 20,500 crore, 520 crores.
20,500 crore. Okay. Okay. Now my second question, you said about in the opening remark about how much order we have received this year in H1. If you can mention it again, and how much we are targeting.
We have received so far 7,094. That is 7,100 crores we have received so far during this financial year.
Okay. And we are targeting another 10,000 crores.
Another 10,000. Amrapali itself, another 8,000, 9,000 crores we have. That will be come during this year. And we have lot many PSUs, redevelopment of PSU land parcel and railways.
Okay. And this broadly, this 55,000 crore order book will be around 8-9% margin?
Approximately around 8 to
9%. Okay. Now, in terms of our real estate business, our own real estate, how much is the ready inventory we have, and post that? Yeah.
Around 800 crores is ready to move inventory we have. Some projects, 1 or 2 projects will be completed in this quarter only. So 812 crore rupees inventories are available.
Okay. And how much will be extra land bank post this?
Around 600 crores, 670 crores land bank parcel we have. That we will going to start.
100 crore value. Okay. And typically in our own real estate, what kind of margins we expect?
Around 20-25%. 20-25%.
Okay, fine. That's it from my side. I'll join back in the queue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question comes from Vasudev Ganatra from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity, sir, and also congratulations on a great quarter. And sir, it was very good to see the opening remarks were so brief and detailed. So, sir, my first question is that this 7,900 crores of order intake, which you said that was on standalone or consolidated basis?
It is on consolidated basis. NBCC secured 4,600 crores, HSCL some 300 crores, and HSCC 1,900 crores. So totaling of 7,094, it is consolidated basis.
Okay, and so then, sir, this 55,000 crores of order book which you said, so would it be possible to split between the PMC and the redevelopment?
Pardon me? PMC?
The split of the order.
You can say 58% in redevelopment, 42% on PMC.
Okay, sir. And sir, if you can give us that on the consolidated basis, how much of the projects we have awarded in Q2 and how much are we still planning in the H2?
We have already awarded 4,333 crores rupees work order, and we are planning to another award 5,300 crores during this year. In total, it will be around 9,600 something like that.
Okay, sir. And sir, now that our margins are back on track, so how much do we plan to do for the full year, like our EBITDA and PAT margins?
EBITDA around 5 to 5.5%.
Okay.
During this year, EBITDA will be around 5 to 5.5%. Next year, we are planning 5.5 to 6%.
Okay.
And next year, business development, we are targeting around 20,000 crores, and tenders will be around 12,000 crores.
Okay, sir. And what are the PAT margins that you're looking for FY24?
PAT margin. Similar range. PAT margin same, almost 5 to 5.5%.
Okay, sir. And so, sir, if you can just repeat again that what is the total real estate inventory that we sold, till date?
Till date, around 54 crores real estate we sold during this year. So expected another 150 crore will be sell this during this quarter only. There are two prospective buyers are on the line, and by December I think we will going to sell another 100 crore rupees.
Okay, and since the opening remarks you said that we are targeting in total Q3 and Q4 total 200 to 300 crores. Is that right?
Sale, yes.
Okay. And so lastly, if you can give the status update on the 7 GPRAs calling work.
7 GPRA, already we have working in various packages. So this year, the one is Narojin Nagar. This value will be almost 91% we have already completed, and balance will be going to complete by before March. March we will complete in all respect Narojin Nagar. And regarding sale also, we already sold around 8,750 crores. And during this year, 2,650 crores already sold out. And the balance will be another only 5,000 crores. That I think we will going to sell before March. Regarding Netaji Nagar construction, the general GPOA and SARTEC, the work is in full swing. Almost 42% we have already completed. By July, we will going to complete this also. Regarding other projects, type 6, type 4 and other type 2 quarters, so the work is going on in full swing. Due to this GPRA now work comes standstill. And after this, I think once the graph is removed, we'll work in all these packages.
Okay, sir. And Sarojini Nagar is fully completed then?
Sarojini Nagar around 3,600 work is in progress. That is type 2 quarters 890 crores, commercial almost completed, 92% already completed in commercial near metro station. Type 5 quarters already we have started, and type 4 also we have started. Yesterday we had a Bhumi Pujan for type 4 and type 5. So valuing of around 1,700 crores. One type 6 quarters we will going to award today or tomorrow. So that also we will going to start immediately. And one local shopping center already in progress. Multi-level car parking also in progress.
Okay. Sir, what was our seed money in total and how much is the pending interest on that?
Madam will seed money.
Good morning. The seed money outstanding as on date is 1,011 crores, which comprises of principal amount of 775 crores. We have received back the principal amount of approximately 200 crores from the ministry because we have not enough money from the sale of the Narojini Nagar project. And we have also received the interest during this quarter to the extent of 69 crores, and the balance outstanding interest is now 235 crores.
Okay, ma'am.
So, am I clear or do you want anything else?
No, I'm unclear on that. And just one question on this, NBCC Greens project. So now we have to demolish the entire project. And so, what are the steps we are taking to ensure that such kind of thing does not, again repeat in future in any other project?
The quality, we have created in-house quality department and we are engaging third party in all the projects, and personally directors and including CMD, top officials are monitoring. So in future, that type of things will never happen. So we have taken all precautions, and for quality control, we are sending the materials directly by NBCC officers. Earlier, contractor used to send the samples and all the sites we have installed the RO plants. The quality majorly problem in water or sand. These two materials, other materials are get tested by the laboratory and the manufacturer as well as manufacturers. But these two we have already taken care and we are addressed these two issues. And apart from that, we have issued so many technical circulars to our officers, and we are personally monitoring this quality. The quality division created at HO level, in RBG levels, and I think in future. And one more thing, we have changed the technology. So we are using now My1 technology or precast technology. So the quality part, I think in future, zero tolerance on quality.
Okay, that was.
Thank you, sir. The next question comes from Rohit Natarajan, Antique Stock Broking. Please go ahead.
Thank you for this opportunity. Sir, now that the new CMD as a role that you have taken up, what exactly do you have in mind, a roadmap for the next 5 years? Where do you see NBCC's execution net profit going to? Will it be like 20,000 crore revenue, 1,000 crore net profit? That kind of a vision, if you could share, it will be really helpful.
Definitely. Next 5 years, our target is around the top line is around 25,000 crores, and the bottom line, that is PAT, will be around 1,200 crores. This is our roadmap, for which we wish to diversification also some area, that is redevelopment of metro cities. Now presently our existence is only Delhi. So in this field already Cochin we have secured 2,000 crore rupees redevelopment work. Similarly, we are expecting some projects in Mumbai, Bangalore and other metros, Kolkata. And in Delhi also we will going to get another 2 projects, that is DZ area and the Andrewganj redevelopment model. So the top line will be around 25,000 crores, bottom line 1,200 crore rupees.
Okay.
And we wish to start our real estate projects. There we can get good margin, some 20%, 25% margin. We have land parcel. So during this year we will going to start Jaipur. We have 3 land parcel, NBCC knows land parcel, and Coimbatore, and of course Patna we have some land parcel. So that also we will going to start to increase our top line as well as bottom line.
Sir, I'm given to understand that you have an expertise in turning around stressed assets like Amrapali project, for instance. What is your roadmap to take this redevelopment portfolio that you have, almost like 22,500 crore? I understand that you have done multiple round of commercial monetization through e-auction route, and so far you have got close to 8,700 crore. But what my point here is that this monetization pace is not really moving up. Look, for instance, our target in the last round of monetization was almost like 5,700 crore, but we could fetch only 25% of it. What seems to be the disconnect, sir?
No, now all the real estate properties, the rates also increasing. Just example, Amrapali, we started the selling of the rate in some X rupees. Now the rate is X plus 40, around 40. So 40% increase also we are increasing, and we have already sold around 4,500 units, which was the largest in any private sector in Amrapali, and we have secured fetched around 2,500 crores value. So the inventory is very less now in Amrapali. So we wanted to do construction of that FAR also. Additional FAR, we are waiting for the court direction. Once we receive the FAR decision, so we can construct the houses so that each and all home buyers should get their home. They have waited for long 12 years. So the waiting period is over. Now before 2025, we are going to complete all the projects in Amrapali. That is very in span of 3 to 4 years. We have completed 8,000 crore rupees value, and around 38,000 sets home buyers will going to get their home.
Sir, I appreciate your comments on Amrapali, but my question was more to do with the 1.47 million square feet, which we were planning to sell on 23rd October 2023 through e-auction. The site was at WTC, Nauroji Nagar. Ideally speaking, this is a prime location and you are already selling at almost like 40,000 per square feet as such. But you could manage only 0.39 million square feet, that is almost like 26% of the target, and could rake in only 1,500 odd crore kind of number. What seems to be the disconnect? Like here the number, the figure that initially you were looking.
Disconnect is nothing. Actually, now earlier you used to sell this property to government agencies, government. Now that is almost banned. So we are selling only private agency and PSUs only. The 7G the Nauroji Nagar property has to be sold as per the recent directive, only private and PSU. The last action we sell it to HDFC, one full tower, so valuing of around 1100 crores, 1,100 crores. Similarly, we have some other buyers in PSU. Petronet also we sold around 3 floors. So similarly, before March we will going to sell it. Earlier it was only 200-300 crore rupees sale. Now we reached last action. We reached before that last action 822 crores, out of which 550 crores we have sell it to private agency. Similarly, last action we sell it around 1,500 crores, out of which 1,200 crores only private agency. Private agency, basically they want to purchase the property. They can go for Noida or Gurgaon. So still they are purchasing in World Trade Center. There is no miscommunication. There is no gap rather. So another 1 or 2 action we will going to sell it all the properties.
Got
now,
it, sir.
They are inquiring and they have to come through action. I think next action it will be, I think we can sell around 2,000 crore rupees. Already in pipeline. They are in the pipeline.
Got it, sir. So just to harp on this particular topic, that is Nauroji Nagar, let's assume you are already selling it at 40,000 per square feet. Given that you want to do much bigger volume, is the price discretion, that is to reduce the price from 40,000 to say a reserve price of lower reserve price and then call for the auction, is that a option or flexibility you have with you?
Not necessary. I think not necessary. We will going to sell all the properties in 1 or 2 actions. Now the real estate market is also increasing. Not necessary. Reducing, of course, it has been approved by the cabinet. It is not easy to reduce the reserve price.
Okay, got the point, sir. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Thank you, sir. The next question comes from Venkatesh Subramanian, Logic Tree Consultants Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Mahedes. For me, wish you a very happy Diwali.
Thank you, Mr.
And you are bubbling with positivity and optimism. It is great to hear from NBCC after a very long time, so congratulations. So that's one. So 2 questions, sir. A lot of my questions Rohit and Dikshit has asked. So one is you talked about the big plans that NBCC have, and you're talking about using PSU land banks, and then there are some other projects in metros, etc. Can you give us some color on what kind of projects? Because even the Prime Minister has been talking about urban development and making India housing for all, etc. Will we be participating in such projects?
Regarding metro, we have already discussed with our Delhi Metro. So they are going to participate in the construction of metros and across world. So there we will going to sign a MOU with them. And regarding internal metro, that is Cochin Metro, we are already working with them. So they wanted to construct around 20 metro stations. So NBCC is having vast experience in building and metros, whereas the metro line will be done by Cochin Metro, and metro station we are in a mutual understanding with Cochin Metro. So, and regarding PSUs, many PSUs, example, I don't want to quote their name presently because it will be a confidential, but many PSUs having their vast land parcel in the city area. So, and they are paying huge interest on their loan amount. Once we did the redevelopment model, so they can get their money more than what their land cost, because the construction is done by us and we will going to charge the PMCP. So the margin will be around 20-30%. So that by that they can pay their loans and that company can get profit. This is our main idea.
Okay, so when you are talking about these projects, all this is part of your 20,000 crore top line that you're projecting for next year?
25,000, rather 25,000 next year.
25,000 crore. So, okay, so the next question is, you're talking about various projects on one side, Amrapali, PSU. So as an NBCC, as an organization, and you also want to expand a bit into Africa, Maldives, Arabia, do we as an organization have the manpower and the team to execute? Do we have the execution bandwidth to achieve such numbers?
Current manpower, I am talking about NBCC current manpower, around 723 we have technical qualified engineers. And around 125 CA, ICW, 73 MBA in HRM. So we have full strength. So to take up any value of project, whether it is in India or abroad, since we already completed so many projects in abroad, Maldives, Mauritius, and Dubai Expo also done by NBCC. So we have all expertise, and I think there is no shortfall of in manpower.
Right, sir. Yeah. Just two last questions from my side. One is, you said there is something prospective that we could be looking forward to in terms of announcements. Would that be in the infrastructure side or on the housing particulars? Because I'm trying to align with the government's objective for the sector, housing sector, sir.
No, housing also there, housing and infrastructure, and we wanted to do some diversification also. Irrigation project, since NBCC has successfully completed a VADC irrigation project at Nagpur, so we are focusing on irrigation projects as well as railway redevelopments. All the railway stations in the metros, they have very good land parcel and they are unable to do their maintenance and all. So it is old structures in depleted conditions. We wanted to redevelop that also. So we are thinking to diversify also as well as. And Prasar Bharati recently, I don't want to disclose the name and all, so they have around 2,000 acre land parcel. We had an initial discussion with them, so at the earliest we will going to give good news to you.
Okay, right, sir.
Once it is through.
Right, sir. Last question, sir, which is, we are under the Ministry of Urban Development, is that right, sir?
Yes, yes.
And the ministry also, in terms of we obviously need a lot of central government support, and because like the defense ministry, defense stocks have done well, rail stocks have done well. Are we aligned with the ministry in terms of vision for achieving these things?
Definitely. We are at talk with the ministry also, defense also. We wanted to do redevelopment of defense as well as. So I don't want to disclose their names presently, because our competitor reached there and we may face some problems. That's why I don't want to disclose their names. Anyhow,
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. I won't query you on that. So this year's top line, you're projecting approximately 11,500 crores, sir, broadly?
Yes. 11,500.
Okay, right, sir. I wish you all the very best, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dear participants, if you have any questions, please press star and 1 on your telephone keypad. So the next question comes from Akshaya Patel, individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations to K.P. Swami sir for being appointed as CMD. We as shareholder have great faith in his execution. So, first question, provisioning of 65 crore has been done in this quarter. As of now, any further provisioning is required for NBCC Greenview, or is this the final one?
I think this is the final one. But what is happening, somebody wants refund, somebody wants reconstruction. So due to this, we are unable to finalize. Otherwise, we wanted to close this issue as early as possible. Because of 2-3 groups, we are unable to settle their issues. And our main focus is we wanted to settle this issue during this financial year itself. So we are creating provision, but so far we are not dispersed because there is no unity between the groups, existing home buyers. Because of that, we are unable to settle. Earlier, we are offered for 5,100 buyback. That only few people accepted. And the second offer we have thrown them is 6% interest. So for which we have created this provision. Anyhow, I think during this year, this issue also we'll going to resolve. Because only 200 home buyers are there. We in Amrapali, we have solved around 38,000 home buyers issues, and this issue, I think, very small issue, but still it is a very concerned area. We are focusing on this, and we are going to settle at the earliest. Don't worry.
Yeah, and all the best for that. And next thing is the case has been filed against Rama Civil Company for recovery of 750 crore, I guess. So can you enlighten more on this one?
It is in under still under sub judice. So once court decisions will come, then definitely will revert back to you.
Okay. And one more query. What will be the impact of ban on construction in Delhi on revenues and profitability in this quarter, coming quarters?
No, there will not be. I think for only few days the construction ban will be there. Of course, we already planned. Internal work we can do. Only concreting and earthwork that cannot be done. I think today, with the grace of God, the rain already came. I think it will be going to lift the ban. So there will be no any impact on our quarter result. Only during this month or for few days we have problem, but it is a very working good season. I think we will come out with this. We already planned some activity in the ban area period.
Okay. And can you enlighten us on the impact of land monetization, national infrastructure pipeline on order book revenues and profitability of NBCC?
That's what I am saying. Actually, we are focusing 2-3 PSUs. They are already discussing with us. So they are paying their interest every year. They are paying 200-300 crore rupees interest. By this, they cannot earn the profit also. They are running on loss. So we had a discussion with some PSUs. So they are willing to do the redevelopment model. So once it is through, our top line, as rightly I already told you, that during this year the turnover won't come. But of course, the tender and all that part can be completed. From next year onwards, we can do construction in full swing, and we can pay the interest as well as the principal amount also. They took loan from government banks, so that we have to refund. So by doing the redevelopment model, I think we can repay their payment.
Yeah, your words have giving me the faith that NBCC goes back to the golden days, which it was enjoying a few years back. Congratulations to you, sir, once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you, sir. The next question comes from Dhananjay Mishra. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. So regarding our provision we have done in Gurgaon Sector 7, until date we have done about 224 provisions. And also we have filed claim of amounting 700 crore. So against whom we have filed this claim, and what is the expectation of getting this claim? Can you explain with detail?
The claim against that contractor, that is Rama Civil Infrastructure, 750, it is under sub judice, and this is only provision for making the payment and settle the home buyers.
Okay, so till this settlement happens, we will be making quarterly provisions, or this is the last year?
I think this is the last one.
Okay. And also, sir, I had recently visited NCR region, and we have seen prices have shot up close to 40% in Noida, Gurgaon. So, are you also in your projects you are seeing same kind of price?
Yes, definitely. The market rate is increased in, of course, Amrapali. We started to sell last February. We started to sell the inventory. Now we have increased in the same project. The rates are increased more than 40-45%. Similarly, Gurgaon is increased more than 50-60%. So we will going to fetch in 30-70 once the issue resolved. We will going to get huge profit in 30-70. That I can assure you. Whatever provision we are making, that we will going to recover in a year or so.
So any specific reason you see for such a 40-45% movement in the last 1 year?
Because after COVID, once again the business started gaining, and everybody wants to buy their home. Some investors also investing. So this is the reason. Investor as well as home buyers, they have confidence on NBCC. After waiting 8 years, they are getting their homes. All the home buyers are sharing their views. They booked 10 years back. Now they are getting their home. So that is the one confidence in the not only NBCC, in the whole Noida area redevelopment, because all the private players, they are not giving their homes in time, whereas NBCC is giving the time in time as well as quality products. That is the confidence on NBCC.
And you said that you will make sure that our project quality will be at par with the other players, because and that you will ensure, because our project is still at discount. I checked the prices compared with the other projects, and we are still at, I think, 10-15% discount when I am comparing projects in surrounding area.
Yes, definitely. That's why we are changing our technology also. So earlier you used to do brick and mortar and columns, so the quality could not be achieved. Now we are going monolithic constructions, and in one of the recent project, the PG Sirke got the work in 7 GPRA, that is precast technology. So precast technology, the quality can ensure is the slabs, beams, staircase, everything is casted at the yard and simply erected at site. So we can get good quality. So that is the reason we are focusing on quality. So we are introducing new technology. So with new technology only, we have secured the work. And of course, in our real estate also, we wanted to do with the My1 shuttering, that is aluminum shuttering. So that we can ensure the better quality, and we wanted to put richer specification. Nowadays, the home buyers want good quality and richer specification. So for same thing, we are incorporating in our tender conditions.
Okay, thank you, sir. Wish your team a very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. Moderator, take the next question.
Okay, sir. The next question comes from Vasudev Ganatra Nuvama. Please go ahead.
No, all my questions are answered. Thank you.
So the next question comes from Dikshit Doshi from Whitestone Financial Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity again. Just one clarification. In Amrapali project, we'll be getting the PMC fee, right? Any price increase or the upside is not for us.
It won't come to us. We are getting fixed PMC 8% and 1% on marketing. Apart from channel partner, they are selling that PMC, that marketing fees also we are getting. So 9% we are getting overall on Amrapali projects. Whatever increase, that will be going to Supreme Court, that is court receiver.
Okay. That's it from my side. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. There are no further questions. Now I hand over the floor to the management team for closing comments.
Once again, thank you, all the investors and shareholders, and wish you happy Deepavali in advance. And I think in next year, we can come with good results and good news. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your conference for today. Thank you for your participation and for using Doorsaba's conference call service. You may disconnect your lines now. Thank you and have a pleasant day.